Hi everyone, welcome back to Explorer Alicia, and today we will explore Rameshwaram Temple. The Rameshwaram Temple, also known as the Ramanath Swami Temple, is one of the most revered Hindu temples in India. Located on Rameshwaram Island in Tamil Nadu, it holds immense historical and spiritual significance. So guys, we are on Paman Bridge. You can see in the video. Paman Bridge is a railway bridge that connects the town of Rameshwaram on Paman Island with Mandapam in mainland India. Opened on 24th Feb 1914. It was India's first sea bridge and was the longest sea bridge in India until the opening of the Bandra Worli Sea Link in 2010. The Paman Bridge was the only surface transport link that connected Rameshwaram to the mainland India till 1988, when a road bridge was constructed parallel to the railway bridge. One of its fascinating features is the central portion that can be raised to allow ships to pass through. This unique design highlights the engineering brilliance of the time and continues to be a critical transport link for residents and travelers alike. Guys, trust me, you will enjoy this road trip to Rameshwaram Temple very much. The highway is very well built and the Paman Bridge looks very beautiful. The sea view on both the sides. So now we have reached Rameshwaram Temple. The Rameshwaram Temple, one of the famous Hindu temples dedicated to Lord Shiva, located on Rameshwaram Island in Tamil Nadu, India. This site is one of the 12 Jyotirlingas, which are the holiest shrines of Lord Shiva. The temple has a deep historical and spiritual significance connected to the Indian epic Ramayana. According to legend, after defeating the demon King Ravan in Sri Lanka, Lord Ram, along with his wife Sita and brother Lakshman, returned to Rameshwaram. Here he wanted to atone for the sin of killing Ravan, a Brahmin. To do so, he decided to worship Lord Shiva and instructed Hanuman to bring a lingam from the Himalayas. However, as Hanuman took too long, Sita made a lingam out of sand. This lingam, known as the Ramalingam, is the main deity of the Rameshwaram temple. Best time to visit. The ideal time to visit Rameshwaram is from October to April, when the weather is pleasant and suitable for temple visits and sightseeing. Travel arrangements. By air, the nearest airport is Madurai Airport, about 170 km away. You can hire a taxi or take a bus from there to Rameshwaram. By train, Rameshwaram has a railway station with connections to major cities. Train travel offers sight views, especially when crossing the Pamban Bridge. By road, buses and taxis are available from nearby cities like Madurai, Chennai, and Coimbatore. Accommodation: there are various hotels, guest houses, and dharamshalas available in Rameshwaram. Temple dress code: modest archery is recommended when visiting the temple. Men can wear pant shirt, dhotis, and women should wear traditional clothing like saris or salwar kameez. Temple timings: the temple is usually open from early morning around 5 am to late evening around 9 pm. Check the specific timings for rituals and darshan to plan your visit accordingly. Holy bath: taking a holy dip in Agni Tirtham located near the temple is considered auspicious. Remember to carry an extra set of clothes as you may get wet. Local transport: auto rickshaws and cycle rickshaws are common modes of transport within Rameshwaram. Food: South Indian vegetarian food is widely available and recommended. There are numerous eateries near the temple serving traditional meals. Respect local customs. Follow temple rules and regulations. Maintain silence and respect local customs and traditions. Photography might be restricted in certain areas of the temple. Videos are made up of lots of efforts. I'm personally visiting the temples and collecting information about the temples from locals and also referring the internet for true information. I request to subscribe and comment on my videos so that my efforts will reach to lots of people.